guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm going for a walk. Oh, there's a car coming. I'm just and he's coming this way, so we'll just move so he can get. Just showing you the little birdies. Okay. Morning. Council car just came. The man's opening the gates for the school. Can you hear them? Crazy, hey? They've got birds over there in the trees flying around. Before you could hear a kookaburra. Oh, those two over there having a bit of a tussle. You see, one's pretending to be dead. Oh no, he's got up now. Flies on my legs, killing me. See, look, they're probably, they're mating probably. Having a little dance with each other. And I've got this one on the end, which is why my camera's all over the place. Oh, they get a bit narky. Look at them. In the tree. I'm on the oval next to the school. This is the school here. Oh. Make it a bit smaller so you can see it's the school. And they're up in the trees up here. Well, this one is like, come on, hurry up, move. We'll go this way. Come this way. We'll go for a long walk. It's going to be 13. This way. Come on. Come on. Willow, come on. Yeah, he's determined he wants to go the other way. It's a 6 kilo dog that dislocates my shoulder when we go for a walk. Okay, I just thought I'd share the birds with you because it was, they're still all there, having a bit of a feed because they've watered everything this morning, so all the beetles and that will be at the surface and the worms, so they're having a good feed. There's a bit of a crow. I can hear more birds up there. What's that red thing up there? Is it a bird? Let me have a look. It's a bit hard to... Oh, what's that? Looks like a traffic cone, doesn't it? I don't know. Willow, stop pulling. There he goes. He really likes to pull and go in the opposite direction. Oh, there's another dog over there that's doing exactly the same thing. Pulling. Like, no, we have to get the walk over as soon as possible. Then he'll spend the rest of the day complaining. I have no idea what that orange thing is. This is what it sounds like every day when I go for a walk. All the birds. There are cockatoos over there. You can't really see them. Oh, there's another one. He just lies down when he doesn't want to go somewhere. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. This is beautiful scenery from my place today with the birds, and I shall catch you next time. Bye for now.